In today's digital landscape, software as a service, or SaaS, represents a groundbreaking shift in how software is distributed and used. Unlike traditional software that requires individual installation on each computer or server, software as a service lives on third-party servers and is accessible to users over the internet through a simple web browser. This web accessibility means that no matter where you are or what device you are using, as long as there is a connection to the internet, your software is ready and waiting. One of the core features of software as a service is its multi-tenancy architecture. Imagine it like an apartment building where each tenant has their own space, but they all share the same building structure. This allows one instance of the software to serve multiple customers, keeping the data and settings separate, but allowing for efficient and cost-effective resource use. Software as a service also operates on a subscription basis, similar to renting rather than buying. This model lowers upfront costs and offers flexibility as businesses can scale their software needs up or down based on their current requirements. Additionally, because software as a service is centrally hosted, updates and security patches are automatically applied, ensuring that all users benefit from the latest features without any hassle on their part. This model is particularly beneficial in today's fast-paced remote working environment. It supports scalability, allows seamless updates, and provides managed security, freeing businesses from the burden of maintenance and compliance. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, software as a service offers a scalable, cost-effective solution that evolves with your needs, providing continuous value in a rapidly changing digital world.